Good morning, everyone. Now we are making a bird out of this waste bottle, like this, or any type of bottle you can use for your waste. Make your waste bird. Okay. Uh, to make your fresh bird out of waste material, we need this type of shape, like for head, like we need this because we have to make our 3D like that and we need this wing shape. Okay, so how can you make your this one? First you have to fold one paper, and after that you draw type of wings this type of wings, and you have to cut out this. Okay, and you need this space. It's very important, this space, because this need for for like this, uh, like this. This, look here, need this. We have to paste, and we have to draw here also. First we have to draw here. It's also very simple. Some line you need, some like U-shaped line like this, to make this bird's feather line, like okay. And you have to make here also. Just make some curvy line, and we have to paste it here, like this. It's very simple, and okay, like this. Now you need like this. Now you need to leg and finger also. You have to draw like this, simple draw, and you have to make its replica. Therefore you need to fold like this, and after that you draw here, and you have to cut it out of scissor, and after that cut out, you have to make here like this, like this round shape. Make its finger more attractive or more realistic, like this. Just look here, like a real bird. Okay, and you have to make this also, the same process. And you have to fold it here also. Now we put here some glue, and glue here also. Now, okay, please look here. I put this glue only this half part, not full leg, because maximum birds leg are like that type of, like our knee fold, half fold. So we have to put this here and here. Now it's finished, and this part, look this part, like this. You have to put here eyes, put here eyes, and here nose hole, and you have to put here also. Very simple. Please look this part. Okay, thank you for seeing that.